guys! Hi guys! This is my cousin Yana and I'm Gabriel. We live in Canada. This is
Barbie. And
actually guys, she's half Filipino, so she can do any language in the Philippines. Is that okay? So you can speak now in Tagalog.
okay. Hi guys, ako taga Philippines. Nandito lang ako sa ate kong English. Naga-English yung ate ko Kaya guys, mauwi na ako mamaya.
She's going home later.
And Lord, bahala na. Kailangan ko na po mag-uwi. Bye-bye.
Bye! Bye sis!
Bye.
Ingat ka.
Nasa barko na daw.